wanted to keep you in the loop with a couple of things. We have specific issues we need to resolve. A member of my team reviewed insurance requirements, issued a certificate on blanket forms by the carrier, but the certificate holder said they will only accept arising out of language. In other words, they rejected the blanket endorsements and need ISO forms, specifically with arising out of language. We've seen this a few times in the past, as you can see in the review of the policy. So we need to specifically request the forms to resolve this. Now a week later, we're finding out that you issued the wrong endorsements, which does not use arising out of language and only applies to products and completed operations hazard. Since you've provided the correct forms in the past, and this could very well have been a mistake in processing, and the client has been waiting a long time recently on a similar endorsement, in this instance, we have mocked up the current forms ourselves. So we understand that there may be additional premium for the corrected form, so please process and correct the endorsement so we can disclose the additional premium to the insured ASAP. That specific instance leads to the overarching issue that we're not receiving what we request quickly. I'm not saying that we want to just suspend underwriting and do everything else without question. There are times when it's certainly appropriate to do so and underwrite a request before proceeding. What's not appropriate is providing something else entirely different from what we request without discussing with it first. This has happened enough recently, we need to discuss it. So I'm hoping we can get on a call and discuss ASAP. So we want to just loop in on that message.